Okay, guys, I can't make up my mind. You'll have to tell me what you think. Are you Team Bubblegum or Team Teal? I really kind of like them both. I can't decide. Hey guys, welcome back to my sewing room. I'm Kelly and you found me here on Pick and Stitches, and today I'm going to be unboxing this new thing that came in from Fat Quarter Shop. I've been waiting for it. You know, I was waiting for I've been waiting for this month's sew sampler to come in, and it came in, and I just decided I had to order some stuff to go with it. I'm probably going to need you guys to weigh in because I'm being kind of indecisive and wishy-washy on how I want to handle this. So let's jump right on in. First of all, let's admire the pretty pink box. It says Sew in Love. How cute is that? Okay. And again, Fat Quarter Shop is usually pretty good about packaging their stuff in a way that you aren't going to cut through. Yep, there's paper there. So that hopefully you won't damage your fabric, but always do be careful when you're opening them. Okay. Yay! So, I really got excited about this month's kit. So it's the Peach Preserve Quilt Kit that we got with our sew sampler this month. And this was kind of a sample block I made. I was toying around with what I could do with a honey bun roll, see if I could starch it or not. And I kind of just came up with this with some leftovers, and I'm kind of in love. I think I need to make that quilt now too. My list just keeps getting longer and longer and longer and longer. Anyways, I digress. So I bought the Peach Preserve Finishing Kit. So it's this kind of, I think they call it bubblegum pink color. And I'm sure it says what the measurement. So this is going to be 7/8 of a yard of the bubblegum. And then half a yard of the binding, and this is just a green gingham. I'll get you guys some close-up pictures of that and this bubblegum color. But when I was looking at the colors of all the fabrics, there was some teal in it, and I thought, how cute would it be to get teal as my background instead of that bubblegum flavor. I think that either one will probably look really nice. It would match that quilt too. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even know. That's an old Camille. That's actually, I think, a Bonnie and Camille line. That's an oldie. So let me grab my pieces. I've started cutting everything out. So it's like a big pizza tray. Okay, so these are all my diamonds. And the background that they had paired it with would have this green binding with a lot of that pink in there, and that really looks quite nice. But what I was thinking was maybe to go with the teal instead, so that most of mine would be surrounded by teal and then have probably the same binding, or I could even use the pink as the binding. So I'll take some pictures. You guys weigh in. Tell me what you think. I don't know, guys. As I was putting these blocks together, there was a whole lot more like red and green than I thought I was seeing when I looked at the pattern. But I still think that that would look pretty cute surrounded by the teal. I don't know. You guys comment. Tell me what you think. Maybe I need to just stick with the plan. I'll definitely use the teal somewhere else. I'm not worried about that. The other thing that I grabbed, that's going to so fall off my clappers. That's not even funny because I don't want to dump that everywhere. You know, when you're not actively using your long arm, you set lots of things on your long arm. Okay, so I also grabbed this fabric to use as my backing. I just loved it. It's right out of the same line, and I think that that is going to make a beautiful backing for our quilt. So, yes, definitely comment below. Let me know. Are you Team Bubblegum or Team Teal? And I may even open up a poll on the community tab, so jump on over there and give me your votes. And if you like watching these unboxing videos or any of my tutorials, it would help me out a ton if you would like and subscribe to the channel. And if you know of anybody else that's into quilting and enjoys it, definitely share with them. That would help me out. And until then, guys, I will see you next time. Yay! And to starch. But what am I going to starch? Probably these two. I don't remember how much of this did I order. Because it's so pretty. Oh my word. I get 2 yards. 1.5 yards. Okay.